Hello and welcome. I have my strong but silent, lovable partner with me today to show you some of the pins that I'm adding to my collection. Now, one thing about my collection is my current book is full, and Disney no longer makes pin books, which really surprised me. They make lanyards and they make fanny packs where you can display your pins, but they don't make books. So I went online and I found this cute little binder that has holes pre-punched for the holding of pins. So let's take a look. We have the Hello, It's a Small World mystery box. And in this box, these are the ones that I could have gotten. And the ones that I did get were these two. We have the Alice in Wonderland mystery box. These are the possible pins you could get. Each box will give you two. And I have to say, I'm very pleased with the quality of the pins. They are the solid metal pins just like the others. They're not a flimsy plastic pin. These are good quality pins. So from Alice, I got these two little guys. Whoops, this one's not being cooperative. There we go. I did a Haunted Mansion mystery box. I know I've done at least one of these before. This one was offering up these as possible. And the two pins that I got from that box are, there we go. And then I got two more separate pins. I got one for Mary Poppins because they had the 50th anniversary of the movie recently. And it says in itty bitty little print, when you're with Mary Poppins, suddenly you're in places you've never dreamed of. And the other one that I got has a Halloween theme. So those are the additions to my collection. What do you think? Is there one there that you have? Is there one there that you would want? What was your favorite? Comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching today. Comment, like, notification bell, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We have lots of unboxings and we've got lots of fun stuff coming up in the holidays, so we hope to see you in another video. Eeyore agrees. He is the strong, silent type.